Okay, we have everything cut out and it's ready to assemble. So this is what the project will look like. Let me put my little pin in here. Now, if you're wondering where I got the pins from, you can easily get them from Staples or from Amazon. There you go. This is what it actually looks like. These little mini shell pins. I got 12 in there for like $5. But this is what the project will look like. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Now this is great to put in somebody's Easter basket, especially if it's a little one. You know how little kids are. You give them a little pin, something to write on, you'll see post-it notes all over the place. It's a great gift to keep them entertained. So let's get to the assembly portion of it. All right. First things first, I'm going to fold this right here. Now I use the dash line SVG rather than the score line one. And the main reason is it shows better up in camera and it's easier for me to see. Now, as you can tell, I'm not sure if you can see it, maybe vaguely. There we go. There's 3 lines right here, which you will see in the other tutorial, the first tutorial on how to actually create these lines. But let me show you how to score them. So the first one is going down, and we're going to do folds and valleys. So this one is going to be a fold, and that's going to pop up, and then we're going to do it again down. So you're going to create yourself a tiny little M. We don't want a W, we want an M. All right, now everything from here is downhill. It's like all decorating from this point on. So all I'm doing is matching up pieces. So I'm going to use my double-sided tape, and the main reason is because everything is flat. It's not on an actual hinge or anything. Now I used 80-pound cardstock, maybe 60-pound on this one. This is Recollections. I love using my some Recollections. It's one of my favorite papers to use. So reliable. And since there's no definitive way this is going, I can put it either this way or this way. Doesn't really matter. So all I'm going to do is line this up properly. And I didn't do that successfully. Let's try that one more time. Okay, let's just fold this, make it a little easier on myself. All right. I still keep getting it crooked. Don't you just hate that? Sometimes you're like, I know it's straight, and then you put it on there like, nope, was not straight to begin with. And trust me, my OCD is kicking in like, fix it, fix it. Fix it now. But sometimes, by the grace of God, I'm like, let it go. Just let it go. And then 10 seconds later, I gotta fix it. Okay, here we go. So I'm just closing it like that. That one came out better. Yay! And now I just have the back to do. See how fast this is coming together? My goodness. You can make a whole mess of these, sit in front of the TV and just crank these out. Put in people's Easter baskets. Okay. Oh, I have this wrong way. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love it. And then, of course, we have our bunny. This is my bad side. And this is my good side. All right. I'm glad I was able to establish that. I'm not sure if you know this, but paper has a good side and a bad side. Even though you flip it either way, it may look like nice, but once it cuts, you're like, oh, this side is a lot better than the other one. I don't know why that is, but that happens on occasions. Okay, there is my bunny. And just to give it a little flair, because I can, I'm going to put a little pop dot, just a little tiny, itty bitty one. Ta-da! All right. Okay. And that's it. We just have to put everything together. I'm gonna put my post-it note in here. Okay. I made it, look the same as that. Now, if you want this to, say if you're going to give this to like a family member or a grandmother or an aunt or an uncle, and they're going to use it, you may want to put a little Velcro on here or a tiny little magnet. But if this is going to go to the kids, don't worry about it. You just put a little bit of adhesive, double-sided adhesive here. Because, them kids are just going to be like ripping this thing open and, jotting notes. Little pictures here and there. It happens. Trust me. I used to be that kid. Whenever my mom gave me post-it notes, I would go to town on that. All right, so all I got to do is just line this up, press that down, and then put my little bunny. And where's my pen? I had it here. Oh, it's on this one. And all you got to do is just put your little pin in there and you are done. You can make so many of these. And once it's dry, like 100% dry, just pop it open like that. But honestly, if you were going to give this as an actual gift, put in somebody's Easter basket, and they're super important, like your mom, your grandmother, your uncle, like they know what they're doing. Put a little more effort. Put a little Velcro on there, so they can use it over, and then stuff it into their purses or their backpacks. They can actually use this. I know I have a couple of these that I'd rotate seasonally. But there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for viewing this tutorial. Have a beautiful day.